Hi everyone, this is Aswai Kingsley, and in this video I'm going to show you how to perform the shaky video effect. Shaky video effect, how to perform such effect in your video. You can use this effect in different ways in your video footage to enable your video to shake whenever a particular action happens. Without wasting time, let's jump right in. Performing a shaky video effect is very easy in Filmora video editing software. So all you need to do is just open your Filmora video editing software. I've already opened my Filmora video editing software. Drag and drop the video you want to perform the shake in your video. I've already dragged this video down to my timeline. So one next I'm going to do is now go to the particular area where I want to perform the shaky effect. I can't do the shaky effect in all part of my video because it will affect my viewers. So it has to be at a given area whereby you want your video to shake. So I'm going to play this video now and know the exact place where I'm going to perform the shaky video effect. Hi everyone, this is Aswai Kingsley, and in this video I'm going to show you how to perform the shaky video effect. From this point, I have to shake the video because this is the actual place where I hit my hand on the table. So from this point, I'm going to cut, shake, and cut again. So this is where I'm going to perform the shaky video effect. Shaky. So at this point, what you need to do is click at this point, move straight to effect, expand this particular area. If you watch here, you will see filters, shake, fox film, and all that, etc. So I'm going to go to shake. Once I click on shake, you can see all the shake effects in this window. I will test all of them so that you guys will know exactly how each of every one of them works. So let's start with this first one. Let's double click on it. Shake. No, this is too much. Let's check the second one. This is too much. I think I will go with this, but let's check the fourth one. Shake. This is slow. Shake. Check the next one. Shake. This is too much. Shake. This is also good as well. Shake. Wow. Shake. Shake. I will take is either this, shake, or this, shake. Okay, let me take this second one. So click on this video. If you want to add the shaky video effect, what you need to do is click on this video. This is a different video and this is a different video. This is the one I want to perform the shake. So drag this video effect and drop it down here. Once you drop it, come to this point, expand your timeline from here, come to this point and cut this shaky effect and delete this one to avoid this shaky effect entering this part of the video footage. So let's test this video and see how the effect applies on this particular section. Go back, let's play it. Shaky video effect, how to perform. So you can as well come to any particular point and cut and still add any kind of shaky effect that you want. Let me still play the video and see how to perform such effect in your video. You can use this effect in different ways. Let me still add it at this point. Such effect in your video. You can use this Let me still add this effect at this point. Let me drag this one. Let me check this one. Such effect. Let me drag this one, put it here, come to this point, cut it, and delete. So let's try it now and see. Shaky video effect, how to perform such effect in your video. You can use. So this is how you perform a shaky video effect in your video footage, depending on what you want to do in your video, but with Filmora video editing software. I don't know about any other software. I've used After Effects. I can still do this in After Effects. I can still do this with Premiere Pro, but I prefer using Filmora video editing software for my YouTube videos because it's user-friendly and easier, to edit with Filmora video editing software, and it has a very good user interface. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this is your first time of watching my video, please don't forget to hit the subscription button and also the bell button so that you can be notified once I upload any new video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative.